it comes to finding a new fragrance, I am so picky, and it is really difficult for me to actually make a decision and settle on one. But recently I have settled on 3. Victoria's Secret came out with new bombshell perfumes, and I am shocked at how sold I was on all 3 of them. Let's go through each one. I really am excited to show these to you. So right here, I have 3 of the bombshell fragrances. This is Saint Tropez, Santorini, and Amalfi. If I had to rate them, it's hard, but I would go Santorini, Saint Tropez, and then Amalfi. That would be my final choice. I love them so much. I would absolutely get this one in a larger size bottle in a heartbeat. It's so good. Let's go through the notes of each one. And as always, I will link them for you in the video description. Let's start with my favorite first. So this is the Bombshell Santorini. I have the website right here, so that way I can tell you all of the notes exactly as they're written. It smells so good. I'm gonna put some on. Okay, so fragrance type is fresh vanilla. The notes are ocean breeze, coastal peony, and salted vanilla. This seriously so good. I honestly love it. I think while I'm on the website, I think I'm gonna order the bottle of it. So this is the Amalfi. This is sun-kissed tangerine, coastal peony, and solar driftwood. I have so much of the other scent on. I don't know if I can smell this one right now. I definitely, now that I read that it's like has a driftwood tangerine vibe, it makes sense. And that one, by the way, is on sale. And then Saint Tropez. This is pink pineapple, coastal peony, and radiant musk. I think I'm going to change my order of rating now. I think I'm going to put Amalfi second, and I'm going to put this third. Not because I don't like it. I don't know. There's something about just like having a new perspective smelling them. I don't know. Undecided. Don't quote me. But all 3 have coastal peony in common. They're so good. They smell amazing. Check them out. This is the Bombshell collection.